So Nikita, our 21-year-old female jaguar, is got a lot of chronic issues, but we noticed recently that she was really weak, so we had to immobilize her, and when we did that, we found out that her red blood cell count was dangerously low. At that time, we gave her a blood transfusion with actually house cat feline blood, which is very hard to come by, and we were able to give her 4 bags at that time. And that's a pretty heroic adventure because it's not something that's done routinely, if ever, in jaguars. So we don't even know really what types of blood jaguars have. We know from past experience that there's a little bit of literature in lions, and we actually forged some of that here at the Reid Park Zoo and doing some blood transfusions in some of our lions, but we don't really know in jaguars. And so we know that we've typed her, and she's a type A. Most cats only have 2 types of blood, and so all of the cat blood that we've given her so far is type A. So we're doing some groundbreaking stuff, but we felt like we could save her life in doing it, and in fact she did remarkably well after we gave her that blood. Unfortunately, that blood only lasts for about 5 to 7 days in circulation. So in that 5 to 7 days, I spent a lot of time just speaking to zoos around the country, and believe it or not, was able to secure blood from a male jaguar in northern Arizona at a facility called Arizona. And we are going to head up there and immobilize that male jaguar and obtain blood, a full 500 ml unit of blood. When we return, we'll be able to give her that jaguar blood. So Nikita has now had a couple blood transfusions and has responded very well to it. This is all groundbreaking stuff. It's stuff that is not in the literature, and it's stuff that's not done around the country. And so we're very proud to be able to do this and to give, to go the lengths that we need to save her life. My hope, I'm giving her a hormone that her kidneys are no longer making, that tell her bone marrow to make more red blood cells. And my hope is that in the time frame that I'm able to secure this jaguar blood, that hormone will kick in and her bone marrow will be able to start making its own red blood cells. At 21 is probably 10 years past her life expectancy, to give you an idea. So both of them are very elderly, and they've got a lot of chronic diseases, but they've been very comfortable, very happy to play and eat, and their quality of life is excellent right now. So at this point, we feel like it's worth the effort on our part.